Alright people, please help me with this. I'm not sure what's going on here. Generac 1500 watt generator. Can't start it. There's the starter. Press the button. This is what we get. It's been sitting in the back for at least 2 years, maybe just about a year or two without cutting on. Definitely got gas in it. Definitely got a strong battery plugged into it. And this is what we get. I saw a few videos of people figuring out, or I saw at least a video of somebody replacing the fuse here, and that fuse is looking good. And just don't know what it is. I hope someone can relieve me in the right track.